As part of your Bright subscription, you'll have access to your listing data through the Homesnap Pro app. Why use Homesnap Pro? Well, have you ever driven with a client to a showing and along the way you pass a for sale sign? Suddenly, the client wants to know the details on that property too. Homesnap Pro can help with that. Homesnap Pro is the MLS mobile search app for real estate professionals. Open the Homesnap app, click the GPS button, and just that quickly and easily, you'll have the detailed information on the listing. If that's not enough of a reason to use Homesnap Pro, let me tell you a few more. You can search for a home with a mobile device anywhere, anytime, using an assortment of methods: address, location, and more. You'll have access to real-time data as up-to-date as the MLS, with the bonus of high-definition photos, school information, tax data, property history, and more. Schedule showings from the app, walk property lines, get instant CMA info, and even set a security timer for your own peace of mind. You can edit your listings from within Homesnap Pro. And additionally, if you see a listing in Bright MLS that you'd like to send to your phone, you can use the Homesnap link in Bright to make it easier to take your listing information with you. Homesnap Pro allows you to share a branded, consumer-facing version of the app with clients. They'll get the searchability that a modern buyer wants, and you'll have access to the properties they're viewing and can easily share messages and listings. With the app, you'll be the first to know, with alerts for new listings, price changes, and any other market updates in the zip codes you want to watch. You can talk about homes seamlessly with in-app messaging with friends, family, agents, and clients, even if they don't use Homesnap themselves. Getting started is easy. Use the link provided in the activation email you receive from Homesnap, or go to the App Store or Google Play and search on Homesnap. Install on your device and open the app. Enable Homesnap to see your location. Indicate that you're a real estate agent. Pick Bright MLS and find your MLS identity. Use the email address that's linked to your MLS profile. And then follow the directions and prompts in your device to complete your startup. There's a link to directions in the video description that covers all of this. For additional information, go to www.homesnap.com/university/brightmls for tutorials, webinars, printables, and podcasts. Homesnap Pro is one of the innovative tools powered by Bright MLS. Thanks for watching. Click subscribe and hit the bell so you stay in the know.